Rolling out the red carpet for clients. Exceptional customer service is required for any successful agency. Begin with a greeting. Greeting your client is critical in providing professional customer service. Make eye contact and introduce yourself. Smile. It's contagious. A smile is a universal gesture of hospitality. A warm, genuine, and sincere smile can never be misunderstood. A fake one can be. A smile is one of the most contagious emotional signals of all. It has an almost irresistible power to make other people smile in return. Smiling primes positive feelings. Eye contact that conveys kindness will be repaid with eye contact from your client. At first, your client may not know how to respond with soft eye contact, but after a few days of consistent kind expressions and eye contact, clients will begin to reach out to you and accept your help. In providing wow customer service, here's what you can bring to your client. Enthusiasm. Act like you're happy to be caring for your client. Enthusiasm can be seen by good posture, a spring in your step, and a smile. Bring a positive attitude. Clients who believe they are a burden, troublesome, and unwanted will act in ways that reflect this belief. Treat clients with undivided attention. Assign importance to their requests and let them know you enjoy caring for them. Use phrases such as, "It's my pleasure," when a client says thank you for completing a request. Bring empathy. Clients have problems, pain, and fears. Clients often only have their favorite caregiver. Often a sympathetic ear, a comforting hug, and supportive words. Bring compassion. A home health aide worker must be empathetic and caring. Growing old, being ill, or becoming injured, or in some cases all of the above, can be scary and lonely. A home health aide is on the front lines with patients while they are most vulnerable. To take proper care of them and to make them feel safe, a home health aide should have a natural tendency toward compassionate care, provide emotional support and reassurance to anxious, confused, and restless clients. Bring honesty. When you become part of someone's life in the way that home health aides do, honesty is a critical trait. You'll be in people's homes in extremely intimate ways. You may be asked to clean patients or change their adult diapers. You may assist with all manner of life's details in ways that will give you access to parts of their lives that only their most intimate companions are familiar with. Honesty is essential so that you can communicate effectively and clearly with your patients' families and healthcare providers. Important skills related to honesty: integrity, dependability, maintaining confidentiality, punctuality. Being late can put your client into an anxious state and could possibly be dangerous. And reliability. Bring patience. A home health aide may have to deal with situations that are uncomfortable and challenging. Patients with dementia may be critical or irrational. Incontinent patients may require cleanups. All sorts of unforeseen inconveniences may pop up, and the patient's overall well-being, including their emotional well-being, is of the utmost concern. A home health aide should be calm, even-tempered, and largely unflappable. Other skills related to patients include helping patients utilize adaptive devices, helping patients with exercises, interacting with clients in pain, interacting with distressed patients, listening to the concerns of family members, treating patients with respect. Bring attention to detail. Paying attention to even the smallest of details could be a big part of keeping your patient healthy. Small changes in behavior or attitude could mean something far more serious. So having a keen eye for the details is an important skill. Make sure you are meeting your client's needs. Then make an effort to exceed them by paying close attention to every detail in the delivery of your services. Attention to detail skills, accuracy, ensuring that patients take prescribed medications at the right time, following the directions of your nurse supervisor, monitoring changes in the physical and psychological condition of patients, maintaining records when asked by your nursing supervisor, being observant. Bring communication skills, knowing how to ask questions and get honest answers, which can be extremely important in judging the health of your client. Knowing how to talk to patients and build good relationships with them is essential to being a professional home health aide. Our voice is a reflection of what is going on inside of us. A nice, pleasant, and magnetic voice can help people build more positive connections with their customers, while a whiny or complaining tone annoys and irritates them. Even the most thoughtful words are of little value if spoken in a monotone. Voice quality accounts for about 38% of the meaning of a message, while the words themselves make up just 7%. Words that do not reflect professionalism. Don't worry about it. Hold on, hang on. I just work here. It's not my job. I'll be there as soon as I can. You need to wait. You need to take a shower now. That's the best I can do. I don't make the rules. I don't know. Words that do reflect professionalism. It's so good to see you again, Mr. Jones. Please allow me to do that for you. Good morning, Mr. James. Is there anything else I can do for you? How do you like this done? I'd be more than happy to help you. How would you like me to fix your hair? Please and thank you. Goodbye. It's been a pleasure meeting you. Once you've learned likes and dislikes about your client, here are some activities you might do with them. Listen to music, do a puzzle, crosswords, reading stories, watch movies, take a walk, play cards, coloring. Ask your nursing supervisor for coloring books, crossword puzzles, etc. to enjoy with your client. Bonding with your client. Bonding questions. Where did you grow up? What profession were you in before you retired? What kind of work did you do? Where did you live when you were married? Tell me about your family. How many children do you have? Any grandchildren? Have you done a lot of traveling through the years? Situations where you can apply your wow customer service skills. You are a professional. I don't want that. In this situation, you're using empathy, compassion, and patience. The first step in managing this situation is to provide a calm environment. A person with Alzheimer's or dementia needs you to provide that for them. When it is medication time, be sure there's a calm environment in the house. For example, soft music, no TV, little or no commotion. Be sure that you too are feeling calm. Resisting medications can be a response to feeling rushed, afraid, or confused about what they are supposed to be doing. Feeling a loss of control can also trigger resistance and anger. Try breaking the process down into steps and reassuringly and calmly explain what you're doing. Give them time. Mrs. Smith, how about we take a walk outside? It's such a beautiful day. Oh no, I don't think I can. Motivate and encourage your client to be active as long as your nursing supervisor gives you instructions on what activities the client can do. Some clients may be depressed. The difficulty is that depressed seniors often feel it's useless to put forth effort and are therefore less likely to cooperate when encouraged to do something for their own good. That said, you don't always need to announce when you're going to do an activity and why it should be done. One thing many who suffer with depression need is a listening ear. Encourage conversation. While the client is talking, simply help them stand. Begin walking with them. Even though the actual activity is the same, taking a stroll while having a good conversation sounds less like a chore than walking outside to improve blood flow. Here's another example. If you have a client suffering from fear of injury, try doing activities in familiar places. Instead of going outdoors or walking up and down stairs, stay in the home and keep it simple to start. Practice standing up and sitting down. Try standing at a counter and folding towels together, or walk room from room. When they feel more confident, link arms, walk outside with them, staying by their side and offering encouragement along the way. Customer service and professionalism go hand in hand. The definition of professionalism: professionalism is the knowledge that an individual carries about a certain field. At work, professionalism refers to a person doing his or her job with sincerity and maintaining professional etiquette, professional ethics. Professionalism in the workplace is important to ensure good performance by all. If everyone is professional, everyone will do the best they can at their job. To ensure a good team spirit, if people work professionally, they will know how to achieve their goals. A professional environment is motivational, inspires pride, helps maintain open communication. It's all about you, the professional, and the customer service you provide. Enthusiasm, greeting the client, honesty, compassion, positive attitude, empathy, patience, attention to detail, communication skills. You are the professional providing this to your client. You've completed this in-service. Remember to click on the link below to take the test.